This is a new Osmo Pocket, and I just wanted to do a comparison video between this little thing here and the Osmo Pro. Now the Osmo Pro is much more expensive and much heavier, but I just want to see how close DJI got with this little device to the Pro. So let's take a look. Pros: small and lightweight so you can take it anywhere, anytime. Relatively inexpensive. 4K 60 frames per second, so it's really convenient in post-production, so you can slow things down. Reasonable quality. It's a solid movie making tool. There's a decent battery and it's easy to charge. The battery will last about an hour and 20 minutes. Good stabilization. There's a good amount of accessories that are planned, and there's some good features such as active track. So what are the cons? Really poor low light capability. This is to be expected with such a small sensor and at this price point. Poor handling in very sunny conditions. This could be addressed with the use of some ND filters in the future. There's not a very high amount of stops of dynamic range. There's no variable aperture. That's about it. For the cost and size, it does a very good job. It'll not replace the Osmo Pro for now, but as a vlogging camera, it's a great tool to have, as it can always be in your pocket. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to see some comparisons with other cameras such as the GH5 or the Osmo Plus, let me know in the comments below and I'll create them as well. Thanks a lot.